Hey guys, before you jump directly to this video, I just want to tell you that this is the future me after editing this video out. I just realized this is just a video of me just blabbering for 6 minutes. And just the main point is I'm planning to separate my Bisaya by vlog from this bisdakvlagger. Okay, hey guys, so this is the future me. I just finished editing this video that you're going to watch in a few. And the thing is, what I found out is that this is just me trying to blabber for 6 minutes and go somewhere else in the conversation. And the main point is just I just want to separate my Bisaya by series and put it on my Bisaya by channel, and the bisdakvlagger vlogs, which compose most of English, and my own English vlogs and a bit of Bisaya, will stay here. So that's just it, me separating bisdakvlagger from Bisaya by. So if you don't want to listen to that, you can just get out of here after this. So that's 6 minutes of me blabbering. Good luck. Hey guys, it's been a hectic season for me because as you all know, I'm studying. And the thing is, I'm trying to put up any video that I can, but I get run over. I get overwhelmed with everything and I get tired. Yeah, so one of the things I've been doing right now is I've been uploading videos to my other channel. It's more of a dash cam video. Put in my Osmo. It's not good. I just put up anything when I travel. I just put up any recording that I have. So yeah, I enjoy doing it, even though it's just driving nonsense. Sometimes I talk on it, make it a vlog, like a driving vlog or something, and I curse, I swear. So yeah, that was what's making me enjoy it. Also, I've been studying uni, as you all know, and it's been very tiring, and I haven't been uploading anything in this vlog, in this channel, this English channel. What I've been uploading are the Bisaya vlogs. So yeah, I started a Bisaya vlog here way back, and then I decided that I'm gonna make another channel for it. So I made another channel for it. Apparently I didn't take care of it, so it's hard to film English and then Bisaya, and let alone it's hard to create content when you're getting stressed most of the time. So yeah, I've tried once that I tried to film an English vlog for a bisdakvlagger, and then I also film a Bisaya vlog, like with two filmings, like I was translating it as I go. But yeah, it's not sustainable. So yeah, I'll do it sometimes, but not most of the times. Also, I've been trying to do Bisaya vlogs lately because it's easy and I don't care and nobody's watching. Yeah, so again, this is my diary, my visual diary. Like whenever I look into this channel or that channel, I remember what happened on a certain day and makes me smile. So that's my initial target. But the thing is, also sometimes I try to think of stuffs, like I try to make a cinematic video just for my enjoyment, or I try to film something, try to make a mini film, or I try to make a cool segment or b-roll, I think. So yeah, it's just for fun for me. So like yeah. But yeah, I had this bisdakvlagger vlog monetized, and the thing is, yeah, I only have around $20. Yeah, so you can't get it unless you have $100 in a month. So within the next month, if I don't reach 100, I don't get it. So it's not a so I was trying to put my Bisaya vlogs here so that might get monetized, but yeah, it's not, I'm not really after trying to do what you call this, complicated viral vlogs, because the thing is, it's hard to do that. And then I just want to, again, my main point here is just my visual vlog. So I'll just do as it goes. I don't know what I'm talking about, but anyway, my point is, yeah, I've been putting up my Bisaya vlog here, and I put it as unlisted. Then after, when I got monetized, I put it up as a regular vlog. So most of the times when you look at this bisdakvlagger channel, you get confused because sometimes they're English vlogs, sometimes they're concert vlogs, but sometimes they're Bisaya vlogs. So I'm trying to separate the Bisaya vlog. It's gonna be tough for me, but I'm gonna try to separate it. I might upload some of them here just for backup purposes, but I'm gonna put it listed again. But yeah, I'll just try to move all the Bisaya vlogs to the other channel, unless it's a mix of both. And yeah, I wish I can do it. But yeah, that's my main point is, yeah, I'm just gonna stop putting up Bisaya vlogs here, because the people who might be following and looking into this vlog here gets confused, like, what is he talking about? It's not English, I don't understand. And sometimes, like, when I speak my language, I like sounds weird, you know. If you're not from the Philippines, it's gonna sound weird. But yeah, so I'm moving it to my other vlog. I can see the link down in the description. Doesn't have a name yet. I have all around 16 subscribers, so yeah, it's my fun vlog where I can do anything I can. And yeah, I even tried to speak straight Bisaya on that channel, but I tend to speak English again. And since I haven't been vlogging lately, speaking English and speaking Bisaya has been tough for me. Like I blab, blah, 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 get tongue-tied and tongue-twisted, and I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So I keep on drifting my thoughts, but yeah, again, my main point is I'll be moving my Bisaya vlog to the other channel, and hoping that I can stop myself from posting it here. Yeah. And as for the vlogs here, it might take a while. I'm a bit busy. I can edit old vlogs, but again, I'm too busy to edit even the old vlogs, so it's gonna take some time. I said in my previous vlog that I'm back, but it's tough. So we'll just see how it goes. Anyway, nice to see you guys here. Bye. Oh, also, just want you to know I've been trying to use more this camera here, the A7C with an 8-bit, but I've been using this a bit more than that, so I'm trying to just stick to that one, because yeah, it's lighter, and I got rid of my A7 III. So this is the S-Cinetone, fake S-Cinetone profile on this camera, and I was using the S-Log 3 from this camera here. So yep.